ओम शांति।
Om
आप सब
Shanti.
बोल सकते हो?
Can all of you say
ओम
Om
शांति।
Shanti?
आज
Today,
हमें बड़ी खुशी है
I am so happy
कि हमारे भारत के और हरियाणा के मुख्य
the main souls from Bharat, from Haryana have arrived,
उसके साथ
and
साथ
together with that,
हम आप सभी सामने बैठने वालों की विशेष
I welcome all of those of you who are sitting in front of me. You have taken the time out
पहुंचे
to
हैं
come,
और
and you have an interest in spirituality.
आज का विषय
The topic for today is very beautiful.
विकास तो आदि से होता ही आया
Progress
है
has been there right from the beginning, but now there is the question,
कि मानव अच्छा
how
कैसे
can
बने?
human beings become
क्योंकि देखा
good?
जाए तो मानव में ही अच्छाई
Because
और
it is
बुराई
seen that
की
it is
समझ है।
within human beings that there is the
इसीलिए
understanding
मानव के
of
लिए
good and
कहते
bad.
हैं,
And this is why
अच्छा
it is
बने,
said for human beings
बुराई
that
को
they should
छोड़े।
become good and let go of
तो
any
ये सोचने की
negativity.
बात है
So this is something to think about.
कि जो हम चाहते
Whatever
हैं
it is that we want,
कि अच्छाई हमारे में
that
आवे,
good things should be
वो
imbibed
कैसे
within
आएंगी
us.
अच्छाई?
How is it that they will come?
मनुष्य के कर्म ही अच्छाई के
It
तरफ
is
ले
the
जाते
actions
हैं,
of people that take
कर्म
us
ही बुराई
towards
के तरफ
goodness,
ले जाते
and
हैं।
it is our actions
और
that take us
कर्म
towards
श्रेष्ठ करने
also
के लिए
negativity.
मुख्य चाहिए
In order to elevate our
नैतिक मूल्य।
actions, we need
आज भारत में सब साइंस के
values.
साधन, धन, सब कुछ है, लेकिन
Today in
मानव
Bharat,
जीवन में
there are all the facilities of science, wealth,
ये
there is
नैतिक
everything.
मूल्य नहीं है,
But
तो मानव का मूल्य
in
भी
human
नहीं
life,
होता।
if
आपने देखा होगा
there are
हमारे
not
भारत
human
के पूज्य
values,
देवी देवताएं,
then
उनका
there
कितना
is no
मूल्य है?
value for the human being.
हमको तो कभी-कभी
You
बड़ा
might have
आश्चर्य
seen
लगता
that
है
the
कि
deities
आज
who
के
are worshipped
चेतन
in
मनुष्य
Bharat,
को
they
रहने
have
के
so much
लिए
value.
3 पैर पृथ्वी भी नहीं
Sometimes
मिलती।
I feel very
और
surprised.
हमारे जो पूर्वज
The human
देवताएं
beings
हैं,
who
जड़
are there
चित्र है,
today, they don't
उनके
have even
मंदिर
3
आप
square
देखो
feet of
कितने
land
बड़े-बड़े
to
बनाते हैं।
live.
है तो
But if you
स्थापना
see
की
the
मूर्ति के 3
non-living
पैर ही,
images of the
लेकिन
deities,
कितने
they have
उनका
such
मूल्य
huge
है। और
temples.
आज के चेतन मनुष्यों
Actually,
का
they are
मूल्य नहीं।
statues, but they have so much
तो कारण
value.
क्या है?
However, there is
वास्तव
no
में
value
अगर
for the
देखा
living
जाए
human
तो
beings of
मनुष्य
today.
का
So,
जो
what is the
निजी
reason for
संस्कार
that?
है,
If you look at it,
वो बहुत
the
शांत
original
स्वरूप,
sanskars of human beings
लेकिन अशांति
are
आई
to
क्यों?
be
कहाँ से आई?
a
आप
being of
देखेंगे
peace.
तो
But where
मनुष्य
did
ने
that peace
अपने
come from?
ओरिजिनल संस्कार जो है वो बदल दिए हैं।
What has happened is that human beings have
संग के
changed
रंग
their
में,
original
किसके
sanskars
संग के
because
रंग
of the
में?
color of their
आप
company.
जानते हो
So you know in
5
whose
विकार
company
जो है ये
you might be
काम,
knowing
क्रोध,
that
लोभ, वो
the
ऐसा
5
जैसे
vices
सभी
of
तंग
anger,
भी है,
greed, lust, attachment,
छोड़ने
and
भी
ego,
चाहते
where
हैं।
everyone is tired
हम
of
आपसे
them, they even
पूछते
want to
हैं,
let go of
सभी
them.
को
And if I was to
एक
ask
विकार
you
का तो अनुभव जरूरी
that
होगा।
each one must
वो
have the
कौन सा?
experience of at least
क्रोध।
one vice.
ऐसा
Which
कोई
one is
सारी
that?
सभा में है
Anger.
जिसको क्रोध नहीं,
Is there
कभी
anyone in this
जीवन में किया
gathering
ही नहीं
who
हो?
has never
है कोई?
had anger
हाथ उठाओ।
in their whole
है
life?
कोई?
Is there anyone in
अनुभव
this
है ना
gathering?
सभी को क्रोध
Everyone
का।
has this experience, isn't
तो
it?
आज 5
So
विकार,
today, the 5
उसने
vices
मनुष्य की जो नेचर है ओरिजिनल,
have
क्योंकि
changed
आत्मा
the
है
original
हम,
nature
और
of
परमात्मा
the
की
soul
संतान है तो परमात्मा
because
शांति
we
का
are
सागर है।
souls
सुख
and we
का
are
सागर
children
है,
of
तो
the
हम
Supreme
आत्माएं
Soul.
अशांत
And
क्यों?
the Supreme Soul is the
जैसे
ocean of knowledge,
पानी
the
होता
ocean
है
of
ना,
peace. So
आपने
then
देखा
why are we
होगा,
souls
पानी
peaceless?
की नेचर
Just
है
like there
शीतल,
is water, you might have
कभी भी
seen
आग लगती
The nature of water is to be cool. If there is any fire somewhere, you remember water. But if you put water on the fire, then in the company of fire and the water boils, and if that falls on your skin, then what happens? Will that be cool or will it burn? So in the company of fire, even cool water becomes heated and does the same work as fire. In the same way, our natural sanskar of the soul is to be peaceful, is to be happy. But because of the 5 vices, human beings have forgotten their original sanskars. And so how can that become good? And so our brother has this very deep desire that we should make Bharat the best of all. And so, all of us together, if we do just one thing, I will ask you to do just one thing, nothing too long, too big. Because what we see today is that human beings let go of their responsibility, and that responsibility is put onto other people. Whenever there is any mistake, then the fingers are pointed to each other. But if each one adopts their own responsibility, then just like there is a fort, there is the importance of every brick. If even one brick shakes, then the whole fort will shake. In the same way, our Bharat is like that. We are the residents of Bharat and we have love for Bharat. This is our country. And so it is the responsibility of each one. So we need to adopt this responsibility and perform action in this way. So 1 and 1 becomes 11 and then it becomes 111. In Diwali, there is one lamp that is lit and it becomes a whole rosary of lights. They say that Sri Ram and Sita, there is the whole kingdom of Ram. And so the brothers are like Rama and the sisters are like Sita. If so many become similar to Ram and Sita, then how would our Bharat become? And so I would just say this to you, take on board your own responsibility and transform Bharat, considering it to be your responsibility. For this you need spiritual power, and this we can receive from our beloved, sweetest, Supreme Father, Supreme Soul. And if you learn meditation, you will be able to receive spiritual power.